Millie needs 4 eggs to make each cake. She has 28 eggs. How many cakes can she make? Any idea how to do this? Yeah, go on. 28 divided by, which is 7 cakes. Okay, most has got that. Happy days. Now, there's something that I asked you to do. Okay, do you see the way it wants to know how many grams of sugar there is? See the way it doesn't say kilograms, it says grams. How do you turn a kilogram into a gram? So multiply 2.4 by 1,000. And you get filling is equal to 2,400 grams. Is that okay? Now, what did I ask you to do with ratios? What you do with ratios? Add them. So you add them together, and how many parts is there? Add 7 and 5 together. You get 12 parts. 12 parts equals 2,400 grams. How much does 1 part equal? Is it bigger or smaller? How many times smaller? 12 times smaller. Divide by 12. And what you get for 1 part? 200 grams. Next part. Are we looking for sugar or butter? Sugar. So read it really carefully. Butter to sugar. Sugar is the second number. Butter is the first number. So are we looking for 5 parts or 7 parts? 7. Is 7 bigger than 1? So multiply by, and you get 1,400 grams. So when you're comparing special offers, do you know what you have to do? You have to have the same mass or the same weight. How much are we asked to buy? We're asked to buy 6. Alright. How many 1 kilogram bags do I need to buy then? Would you agree I need to buy 6 of them? Now, I do need 6 bags. But what does it tell me down here? 3 bags for the price of 2. So, technically, I'm getting 6 bags for the price of 4 bags. Does everybody get that? Because the first 3 bags, I only need to pay for 2 of them. And the second 3 bags, I only need to pay for 2 of them. So I'm only paying for 4 bags. So how much is each bag worth again? 350. So I'll multiply 4 by 350. And I'll see how much it gives me. 4 multiplied by €3.50. Is everybody happy with €14? Okay. Now on the next one. Each bag is 1.5, isn't it? So if we add 1.5 together, 1.5, 3.0, 4.5, and then 6. Would everybody agree I need 4 bags? Agreed? How much is each bag? Each bag is €5, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply 4 bags by €5. I'm about to make a mistake. I'd like you to tell me my mistake. 14 is cheaper than 20. Great, go for offer A. What do I have to do?
Offer B is 20% off.
I need to do the 20% off to compare them fairly. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to say €20 multiplied by 20%. Because I'm going to take the 20% off. Go to catalogue, probability. That's €4. And then take away the €4. So I'm comparing €14 to €16, and that's why one of them's cheaper. Right, I don't think any of us did really well at this one. Okay, so here's the deal. So it costs you 100% of your costs is how much it costs to make a cake, and that's the goal of the question, isn't it? We'd like to know how much it costs to make the cake. However, What percentage did we add on to the cake? So we actually sold it for, 120. Now our goal now is, do we think it costs less or more to make the cake? Otherwise we won't make a profit, would we? So we're expecting that answer is smaller than €7.50. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to find out what 1% is. How do you find out what 1% is? Divided by 120. 750 divided by 120. 25 over 4, otherwise known as 6.25. Oh, wait, I did that wrong. It's not 7.50, it's €7.50. Excuse me. 1/16, yeah? And then how do I get back to 100%? Times it by 100, is it? (25 over 4), which is 6.25. I couldn't give any attempt marks on that one, I'm afraid. Attempt marks were based on 120%. Okay, guys, you ready? This is an interesting one, alright? So you have to make €27 from either €5 or €2. You get what I'm saying? So I have a tons of €5 over here, and then over this side I have a good few €2. And I'll just clone them over here. Ready? Right, there's all my €2 coins. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to try and make. I'm going to take 3 fivers. How much is? Actually, I'll take 4 fivers. How much is 4 fivers? 20. Then 22, 24, 26, 28. Oh man, I can't make 27. Go back. I don't think I can take an even number of fivers. You get what I'm saying? I think I should have taken 15. So we'll go back again. And I'll go, okay, this time I'm going to take 3 fivers. What's 3 fivers? And then 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27. How many fivers is that? How many €2 coins? 6. You alright with that? Okay. Let's go back again. We know 4 fivers doesn't work, don't we? Let's do 5 fivers. Okay. So once again, each one of these sort of like represents a coin. And what we're going to do is we're going to do 5 fivers. And when we do 5 fivers, how much is 5 fivers? And then we're only 2 short then, aren't we? So we do 5 and 1. Okay, guys. This one was this question I've never taught you before. Okay? And it was basically a test of who can think off the top of their head outside the box without being taught. So it's a measure of a good H1 student, if somebody could think like this, right? So here's what we're basically doing. What it wants us to do is, it wants us to make every whole number bigger than 3. Would you agree that it wants us to make 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all the way up to what? Infinity. Agreed? Okay. First of all, here's what we're going to write. We can make every even number. Why can we make every even number? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, ... Agreed? We all go with that? Now, next line. We can make... What? Did it crash? Oh, thank you, sir. We can make every odd number. Shh. Okay. So look, guys. Shh. You can make every odd number bigger than 5. So think about it. 5's a fiver. Keep adding on €2 coins. 7, 9, 11, 13, all the way up to infinity. Hence, we can make every number bigger than 3. So then you can say, hence, we can make every number bigger than 3. That just means like, it just means you're n euro. If you just read this part, if you just read this part here, see that blue part? That's basically explaining what the n means. Any value bigger than 3. And I proved that.